How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can buy cryptocurrencies on your Trust Wallet. So to do that, first of all, open the Trust Wallet app on your mobile device and then simply make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you're logged in, first of all, it'll ask you to enter the passcode of your Trust Wallet. So simply enter that over here. Now once you've done that, you will be taken to the official homepage of Trust Wallet, where first of all you'll have to make sure which crypto you want to buy. So for this video, I'll simply take two examples. Let's say you want to buy $500 worth of Bitcoin and $1,000 worth of Ethereum. So if you see those two coins over here, you can simply tap on them and then tap on the buy option on the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to simply select the amount you want to buy. So currently it is set to 150, and remember one thing, the minimum threshold you can buy is $50. So since we are here to buy $500, we'll tap on it, and depending upon your rate, it will change from either MoonPay to Mercurio, etc. Now whichever one you choose, tap on the option next. After that, you will be taken to those pages where you'll have to enter your details, and then once you enter all of your details and your card number, your bank account, etc., you will be able to buy Bitcoin from there. And now let's say you want to buy $1,000 worth of Ethereum, or if you want, you can also add other tokens or other coins. So you can go through all of these and then simply choose the one which you want to buy. After that, come back and then tap on them and then tap on the option buy. Now all you have to do is simply enter the amount you'd like to buy. Remember one thing, 50 is the minimum threshold. You can't buy anything lower than $50 worth of cryptocurrency. Now once you've done that, tap on the option next, and once again you'll have to sign in over here and then enter your details such as your bank account number, credit card number, and once you've done all of those, you will be able to buy cryptocurrencies from your Trust Wallet. So hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.